Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. Can't link new devices right now. So when you're trying to connect WhatsApp to web.whatsapp.com, when you're trying to link a device, so it will show you the QR code to link. If you're not able to link it, so this issue will come up. We'll see the reason why this issue will come up. First thing what you have to do, guys, make sure you have a proper internet connection. You can see here the Wi-Fi symbol is there. You should have the proper Wi-Fi symbol and make sure if they are in same network, or else make sure you have internet is connected on the both the sides. Okay, let's go to desktop now. So let me clarify the Wi-Fi is connected or not properly here. Now as okay, the Wi-Fi is connected. Let me reload the web.whatsapp.com here. I could see a QR code. Now let me go to the phone screen and try to scan this QR code. So I'm now trying to scan the QR code. So it says the device is linked. Google Chrome has been connected to your mobile. Okay. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.